Driving without insurance is a serious offense in many jurisdictions, including the United Kingdom and the United States, and it can lead to a range of legal, financial, and personal consequences. Motor vehicle insurance is mandatory to protect drivers, passengers, and other road users. Legal consequences. 1. Fines and penalties. Monetary fines. One of the most common penalties for driving without insurance is a monetary fine. These fines can vary significantly depending on the jurisdiction and the specific circumstances of the offense. In the UK, for example, fixed penalty fines can be as high as $300, while court-imposed fines can be significantly higher. Increased penalties for repeat offenses. Repeat offenders may face higher fines and more severe penalties as a deterrent. 2. Penalty points and driving record points on driving license. In many jurisdictions, driving without insurance can result in penalty points being added to your driving license. Accumulating too many points can lead to further penalties, such as license suspension. Impact on driving record. A conviction for driving without insurance can remain on your driving record, impacting your driving privileges and insurance rates in the future. 3. License suspension and disqualification. Potential suspension. Driving without insurance can lead to the suspension or revocation of your driving license. In the UK, this can result in a driving ban of up to 6 months or longer for repeat offenders. Disqualification from driving. In severe cases, particularly for repeat offenses, you may be disqualified from driving for an extended period. 4. Vehicle impoundment and seizure. Impoundment of vehicle. Law enforcement officers have the authority to impound or seize vehicles being driven without insurance. Recovering an impounded vehicle typically involves paying impound fees and providing proof of valid insurance. Potential confiscation. In some cases, authorities may confiscate and dispose of vehicles owned by repeat offenders or those unable to obtain insurance. Financial consequences. 1. Higher insurance premiums. Increased rates. A conviction for driving without insurance can result in significantly higher insurance premiums. Insurers view uninsured driving as a high-risk behavior and may raise rates or deny coverage altogether. Difficulty obtaining insurance. Some insurance companies may refuse to provide coverage to individuals with a history of driving without insurance, making it challenging to find affordable insurance. 2. Liability for damages. Personal financial liability. Without insurance, you are personally liable for any damages or injuries resulting from an accident you cause. This can lead to substantial out-of-pocket expenses for medical bills, property damage, and legal fees. Potential lawsuits. Victims of accidents caused by uninsured drivers can sue for compensation, leading to further legal and financial burdens. Legal and court consequences. 1. Court appearances mandatory. Court appearance. Driving without insurance often requires a court appearance. Failing to attend court can result in additional penalties, such as arrest warrants and increased fines. Legal proceedings. The court may impose various penalties, including fines, points on your driving license, and community service. 2. Criminal record. Criminal conviction. In some jurisdictions, driving without insurance can result in a criminal conviction, particularly for repeat offenses or aggravating circumstances. A criminal record can have long-term impacts on employment and other aspects of life. Personal consequences. 1. Impact on employment. Job loss. If your job requires a valid driving license, losing your license due to driving without insurance can jeopardize your employment. Employment opportunities. A criminal record or driving ban can negatively impact future employment opportunities, particularly in roles that require driving or background checks. 2. Personal reputation. Damage to reputation. Being convicted of driving without insurance can damage your personal reputation and relationships, leading to social stigma and distrust. Prevention and mitigation. 1. Obtaining proper insurance. Mandatory coverage. Ensure you have the legally required motor vehicle insurance coverage for your jurisdiction. This typically includes third-party liability coverage at a minimum. Adequate coverage. Consider additional coverage options, such as comprehensive and collision insurance, to protect yourself financially in case of an accident. 2. Renewing policies on time. Timely renewal. Keep track of your insurance policy expiration dates and renew them promptly to avoid lapses in coverage. Automatic renewals. Many insurers offer automatic renewal options to prevent unintentional lapses in coverage.